Creating realistic digital images of women using artificial intelligence involves using AI-powered tools and techniques such as deep learning models, generative adversarial networks, GANs, and diffusion models. These technologies generate highly detailed and lifelike images that can be used for various purposes, such as digital art, advertising, or entertainment. How to create realistic AI-generated images of women. 1. Choose an AI image generation tool. There are several platforms that allow users to generate realistic images using AI. OpenAI creates highly detailed and realistic AI-generated images. Midjourney focuses on artistic and photorealistic image creation. Stable Diffusion, an open-source AI model that can be run locally for more control. Runway ML provides advanced AI tools for creative image generation. 2. Define your image parameters. Most AI image generators allow you to customize features like facial features, eye color, skin tone, hair type, age, ethnicity, and style, background and lighting, clothing and accessories. 3. Use detailed prompts. To get the best results, you need to provide clear and detailed text descriptions. For example, a photorealistic portrait of a young woman with brown hair, green eyes, and freckles, wearing a red dress, standing in a sunlit forest, Ultra HD, hyper-realistic lighting. 4. Enhance and edit the image. After generating the image, you can refine it using tools like Photoshop, GIMP, or AI-based upscalers to improve details and resolution. Where to create realistic AI-generated images. Here are some popular platforms where you can generate AI images. DALL, OpenAI.com, Midjourney, available via Discord and midjourney.com. Stable Diffusion, StableDiffusionWeb.com. Deep Dream Generator, DeepDreamGenerator.com. Photor, AI Image Generator.photor.com. Ethical considerations. When creating AI-generated images, it's important to follow ethical guidelines such as avoiding deepfake, misuse, or misleading representations, respecting copyright and privacy laws, ensuring responsible use of AI-generated content. With the right tools and responsible use, AI-generated digital images can be a powerful and creative medium for art, marketing, and digital projects.